This shaky cell phone video captures two men raising their hands in the air just moments after 18-year-old Michael Brown was shot and killed by a police officer in Ferguson, Missouri. Their gesture, experts say, could bolster arguments that Brown was surrendering when he was shot multiple times by Officer Darren Wilson. The video, obtained by the Associated Press, shows two landscapers standing near the street where Brown was shot. In the video, a man can be heard uttering a profanity and saying he had his hands in the air. The shooting spurred several days of sometimes violent protests in Ferguson. A state grand jury and the Justice Department are investigating, but a decision on whether Wilson will face charges is not expected until next month. Ned Barker, Associated Press.